In 2024, I embarked on an exciting journey as a growth operator, aiming to generate $10,000 in revenue through strategic planning and execution. As a growth operator, my role was to identify areas of potential growth for the company and implement strategies to maximize profits. Through a combination of data analysis, market research, and innovative marketing tactics, I was able to surpass my target and achieve financial success. One key aspect of my success as a growth operator was my ability to leverage data analytics to identify trends and opportunities for growth. By analyzing customer behavior and market trends, I was able to pinpoint areas of untapped potential and develop targeted strategies to capitalize on them. This data-driven approach allowed me to make informed decisions and allocate resources effectively, ultimately leading to increased revenue for the company. In addition to data analysis, I also focused on conducting thorough market research to gain a deep understanding of our target audience and competitors. By staying ahead of industry trends and consumer preferences, I was able to tailor our marketing strategies to effectively reach and engage our target market. This proactive approach helped us stay ahead of the competition and attract new customers, contributing to our overall revenue growth. Another key factor in my success as a growth operator was my innovative approach to marketing. I implemented creative campaigns and initiatives that resonated with our target audience, driving engagement and generating leads. By thinking outside the box and experimenting with new ideas, I was able to capture the attention of consumers and differentiate our brand from competitors. This innovative mindset played a crucial role in achieving our revenue goals and solidifying our position in the market. Overall, my journey as a growth operator in 2024 was a challenging yet rewarding experience. By harnessing the power of data analysis, conducting thorough market research, and implementing innovative marketing strategies, I was able to exceed my financial target and generate $10,000 in revenue for the company. This success not only boosted my confidence as a professional, but also showcased the effectiveness of a strategic and proactive approach to driving growth in a competitive market.